Hello guys, my name is Sheldon Stallings. Today we'll talk about the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system. Now let's first learn what does cardio mean and what does vascular mean. Cardio means heart. Vascular means blood vessel. So put together, blood vessels of the heart. Now, there are components of the system. Number one is the heart, which is located on the left side of your chest. Arteries, veins, tiny veins called venules, and tiny arteries called arterioles. The heart has two sides, we could say two halves. Has the left half and has the right half. The blue means blood without oxygen. The red means blood with oxygen. It's separated by a thing called the septum, which is right in the middle. What's it called again? It's called the septum. Okay, very good. The heart is imagine a big hotel. A big hotel with actually 4 rooms. We call those 4 rooms chambers. How many? 4 chambers. So we have the right atrium, the left atrium, right ventricle, and we have the biggest chamber in the heart, which is the left ventricle. It's like any house with rooms. How to get in the room and out the room? By going through doors. We call these doors valves in the heart. So in the heart, there are 4 valves. On the right side of the heart has a valve right here. This valve is called the tricuspid valve because it has 3 leaflets. You can't see it here, but if you do a sonogram, it looks like this, like a peace sign. That's 3 valves. 1, 2, and 3. On the left side of the heart has a valve called the, number 4 valves, called the mitral. Also called the bicuspid valve. Now, why is it called bicuspid? So, if tri means 3 and bi means 2, it resembles a fish mouth, just like that. It's on the left side of the heart. We call it the mitral valve, also called the bicuspid valve. We have the 3rd valve, which is called the aortic valve, which is right here. Very important valve. Now, the last valve we have is called the pulmonary valve. The pulmonary valve is right here. Once again, it's called the pulmonary valve. Once again, some books may say pulmonic, but it's the same thing. So once again, heart has how many halves? 2 halves. How many valves? 4 valves. Let's name them. Tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valve. And it has 4 chambers. What are they? Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. What does the red represent? It represents blood with oxygen. What does the blue represent? I mean, blood without oxygen. Now, how does the heart work actually? So the heart has to pump. It's actually a double pump. It pumps the blood throughout your entire body. When the heart contracts, it is pumping the blood out. When it relaxes, it's bringing more blood in. When the heart pumps, we call that systolic or systole. We call that contraction. So imagine, right, when you squeeze an orange, right, we squeeze a lemon, what comes out? The juice comes out, nice and juicy, right? When you squeeze the heart, when you contract the heart, what comes out? The blood comes out. Now, when the heart relaxes, we call that diastolic or diastole. So the heart pumps, it contracts, systolic. When it relaxes, diastolic. It makes a, you hear it guys? Just like that. It's a lot more that comes along with the heart, but for more demo videos, go to my website, www.sosreliablecpr.com. That's sosreliablecpr.com. Thank you.